We want to get back and continue our team coverage now as we begin to learn more details about the alleged murder of Athena Brownfield. It has also led to more legal questions.
KOCO's Zach Rael spoke with a Metro attorney who has been involved in countless other high-profile cases about how this could all play out for the couple accused in this case.
I would expect a case like this to take at least a year, more likely a year and a half or 2 years before it's resolved.
Defense attorney Ed Blau giving his perspective on what's next for Ivan and Alicia Adams. Ivan, arrested in Arizona, is charged with Athena Brownfield's murder. Alicia faces 2 counts of child neglect. New court documents say that Alicia confessed to investigators that her husband beat Athena on Christmas night at their Surreal home. The next day, she says he buried the 4-year-old's body near Rush Springs. Blau says depending on the evidence, it's possible more charges could be filed.
If she knew that he did it, she was under no obligation to turn him in. However, if she participated in any way in helping him or covering it up or helping him leave the state, then she would be culpable for, at a minimum, accessory after the fact.
Blau says the fact that Alicia did talk with investigators could help her down the road.
Based on the evidence we know about, it seems like Miss Adams gave information against her husband, and that likely led to his arrest and will help with the prosecution. Whether or not ultimately she agrees to testify against him, that'll depend on negotiations between her attorney and the prosecutors.
The Adams defense attorney has already asked for a gag order on this case because of the massive attention it's received. Blau says they will likely ask for a change of venue.
In a case like this, it's going to come down to, can a judge find a sufficient number of people who haven't formed opinions to sit on a jury and give these individuals fair trials? Whether or not that's possible is yet to be seen.
As far as what punishment Ivan could be facing, Blau believes this case could warrant the harshest penalty our legal system allows.
Given the brutal nature of the crime as it's been described up to this point, this would seem to be a case where a prosecutor would seek the death penalty in the state of Oklahoma.
We know Ivan Adams is being held on a $1 million bond awaiting extradition to Oklahoma. Alicia Adams, who had that court appearance today, has a $500,000 bond with some restrictions. If posted, she would not be allowed to leave the state, has to have a GPS tracker on her, and cannot contact witnesses.